Hello there. When we started making our little Kubota barn, we needed a way to get the rafters up top and later on to put the shingles up on the roof. So I searched on the internet. Of course, YouTube teaches me so much. And this is what I came up with. It worked very well for us, and I'll show you how it works. It just slides on. And it was actually quite easy to build. It's about 9 feet long, and I put a little hook underneath at the bottom or at the end, and an eye. And I built a sleeve here, and that eye I used to tie it back just so it couldn't slip off. And I put another little sleeve here, and I'll see if I can show you how I built it. It was pretty easy. I took a piece of 3-inch flat bar, and that's 3-inch angle, it's all 3/16. And I just clamp that together underneath. And then welded that. And I laid my pipe on, and I took another piece and I kept bending it in my vise until it would just touch here and here at the same time. Welded those together, and I did the same thing out at the tip, except at the tip I actually put another piece of flat bar here as well. And I'm just a beginner welder with an angle grinder. Like, I don't have a lot of tools, and I just have a little Lincoln stick welder. Now, this little hook that I put at the end, this worked out very well, because I put a little sling on my timber. Can you see that? Yeah. And I can, after I drop it off, I can back out, and I don't have to go up a ladder to try to unconnect things. Yeah, it worked really well for us. And it didn't cost me anything. Anyway, if you're in need of something like this, I hope this can help someone. Take care.